Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute tooth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a face for the cute teeth. Then draw the outer edges of the teeth. Remember kids, we need to brush our teeth to 2-3 times a day to keep our teeth healthy. If you're too lazy to brush your teeth, you'll develop cavities and you'll need to see a dentist. Guess what tooth this is? Yes, these are molars. Our molars look like this. Now I draw toothpaste. Finally, draw the toothbrush. Now let's color together. Red. Pink. I used blue and light purple to color the toothpaste. Then I colored the toothbrush pink. The picture is almost complete, kids. Remember today's lesson, brush your teeth regularly and limit eating to many sweets to keep your teeth healthy. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.